Most false alarms in the Peugeot Expert are caused by faulty door contacts or the bonnet switch. These components detect when doors or hood open, but they can trigger incorrectly due to wear or damage. Door contacts are magnetic switches that activate when doors open. Check for misalignment, debris buildup, or electrical shorts. Clean the contacts and ensure they align properly with the striker plates. The bonnet switch is a plunger-based sensor under the hood that detects opening. It often corrodes or sticks in damp conditions, causing false alarms. Clean the switch and apply lubricant to prevent sticking. Use a multimeter to test the bonnet switch for continuity. It should show continuity when the bonnet is closed and no continuity when open. This helps confirm if the switch is faulty. Environmental factors like humidity and road salt contribute to corrosion. Regular cleaning and lubrication of these components are essential to prevent future alarm issues. After addressing the door contacts and bonnet switch, you may need to reset the alarm. Try a key fob sequence with lock and unlock cycles. If that fails, disconnect the battery for 10 minutes to clear the ECU memory. Alternatively, a dealer can perform a professional reset. For prevention, regularly maintain the switches by lubricating them and using dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Consider over-the-air updates from Peugeot if available. Note that DIY repair communities offer sustainable fixes, such as recyclable sensors, via platforms like YouTube. If issues persist, consult a professional to avoid ECU damage. Biannual sensor checks can prevent false alarms.